last video, we turned HTML from a skeleton into something that exists. Now we're going to make it actually look good, because right now it's still ugly. So let's start off with adding a P tag. And if you watched my HTML videos, you'll know what P is. And if you haven't, then you can go and pause this video and check them out before you start with the CSS, just so that you're caught up. But now let's write hello, for example, and click save. Then we go back into our style.css, and this is from the last video, if you remembered. So now we can write the P tag, so we can style that one, and click color. So then you can either use names, like as you can see up here, like blue, for example, or green. Then you can also use hex codes for more specific colors that you want. For example, 333, and then I save. And now as you can see, it changed this color to a very slight, like dark gray color. And now I'm going to show you how to use fonts. So let's, for example, write body, and then we write font family equals. Then let's say, for example, Times New Roman, and then we can just click here and click save. So this changes the font family of the whole body, so all of the text that are inside of it. And so now you can see it changed the font of the website from our previous one to Times New Roman. And also, if you want, like for example, only the H1 to have the font and the P tag to have a different font, then you just specify it inside of this column. So inside of the H1, you write the font that you want that one to have, and inside of the P, you write what font that text is supposed to have. But if you want the whole body to, or the whole website to have the same font, you can just easily write it inside of the body tag. So now let's change the background, which we also did in the previous video, but now we can dive a little bit more into it. Let's write background color, and then we can write, for example, gray. That works as well, and click save. And as you can see, it changed the background color of the whole website. And also you can change the background color of your texts, like specifically. So then you write background color, and let's just say Azure for this example. And also here you can use the hex codes to change the color to more specific ones if you want. And here you can see it changed the background color of only the hello world part, which we haven't made a current width yet, so it goes straight across the whole web page, as you can see. So that was it for this video, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have any feedback or any questions. And in the next video, we'll dive a bit more into CSS as well. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!